artificial intelligence solutions to automate regulatory compliance and audit with the mission to automate the mundane so that people can focus on the value. Quick intro before the demo. So basically the software is designed for compliance officers and auditors with no knowledge background in AI, coding, or etc. So software can read unstructured data and documents. It can be trained by the compliance officers, auditors, and using very small amount of training data. So what's the benefits our customers are getting? For the first time, they are able to process 100% of their data and documents without any sampling. 90% reduction in time and cost, and above all, a huge reduction in the risk. And as I said, no more sampling. In terms of our solutions, so we offer automated customer due diligence, especially enhanced customer due diligence process, automated compliance assurance and remediation, and financial audit automation for disclosure checklist process. So I'll show you a live demo of our system, how to automate the compliance assurance for FCA in the area of disclosure and suitability of advice and affordability for mortgage applications. So this is our platform. An example key feature document for a mortgage protection plan. Another example, and this one is from Halifax. So two different documents from different banks written by different people. We want to check compliance against FCA regulations. Either we read the whole document or we can do that automatically using AuditXPRT Platform. So I'll just select one of them. So now the software is actually reading that document. So while we are getting the results, let me look into another one. So this is a mortgage application. A major bank, they have a compliance assurance team, 20 people, and they have got 100,000 mortgage customers every year, and they cannot read all the documents. So they use sampling maximum up to 5% data. With our software, they can actually automate this process and review the entire population of their data. So here we've got the results from the previous check. So we checked against 11 different requirements, and all of them did comply. In this case, I wanted to show the other one as well. Okay, so now we are checking the Halifax, and to do the compliance assurance on the mortgage application file, so I just uploaded one file for the demo, but essentially you can upload as many files as possible. So in this case, for this document, we actually found non-compliance for two requirements, and you can quickly see that. So basically, there was no information on consequences of not exercising. So that's based on our interpretation. And this is the document we actually got it from internet. And this is how we show the results. And as you can see, we are essentially processing unstructured data. We are reading. It's not a keyword search or anything. It's essentially reading and understanding the documents the way a human being would do that. And this is the result for the mortgage application. So we did about 34 checks. And all sort of data, both the numbers, text, keywords, unstructured text as well, when you wanted to identify, okay, what is the repayment strategy and so on. So that was a quick demo. Thank you very much. If you have more questions, I'll be there at the stand.